Guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a password from a PDF in iLovePDF in 2026. So let's get started. Now this tool allows you to remove passwords protections from PDFs that you are authorized to access. Now, you're gonna first head to the iLovePDF website by googling iLovePDF. Then you're gonna click on this website. Once you're in inside the website's homepage, we're gonna go to PDF security. You're gonna click on this section. Now here, you're gonna select and click on the Unlock PDF tool. Once you click on it, you're gonna click on Select PDF. Now you're gonna go and choose a PDF you want to unlock. For example, this is a PDF that I locked. We're gonna select for it. As you see, this is a locked PDF. So I'm gonna select the PDF, and then I'm gonna click on the unlock button. Now, as you can see here, you're gonna click on the download the unlocked PDF. And as you can see, I'm gonna download it in a location here. Then you're gonna open the PDF and it's unlocked. Now the previous one is locked. As you can see here, this is the one. It is locked. But once you go through this procedure, you're gonna be able to unlock this PDF. Now, once verified, many users remove passwords from PDFs so they can edit documents, print files, share content, or avoid entering passwords repeatedly. Another huge tip is keeping a secure backup of the original protected file, because before removing the password, you should only remove passwords from documents that belong to you or that you have permission to modify. Finally, unlocking a PDF can make future editing and sharing much more convenient. And that's it. Now you know how to remove a password from a PDF in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe and comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.